Today, I want to show you something that you may not have tried in Filmora. I have to shout out my man Jeremiah for suggesting this. What you want to do is... Oh, hey, Oh, come on! Are you serious? You did not do this right in the middle of a Filmora tutorial. Well, this is kind of embarrassing. All right, looks like we're doing this the hard way. Clear? Stick around. I'll show you how. I really should go see a doctor about this.
Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation.
This effect, even though it's pretty simple, relies on your ability to think ahead. When I was planning this video out, I had the idea to keel over, then come back to life and pop back up as a ghost of myself, and then dive back into my body to bring myself back to life. So knowing all of that, I filmed all of this in one pass. If you're doing something similar, think about your scene first and how best to script and film what you need to pull it off. Once I had that done, I brought my footage into Filmora and cut it into 3 sections. The first section ends where I slumped over. Now here's a very cool Filmora feature that I use a lot. With the playhead right on the frame of the footage that I want, I took a snapshot of that frame and Filmora automatically loaded that back into my project ready to use. Bringing that down into my timeline and stretching it out allowed me to be in that slumped over position for as long as I need. Next, I grabbed the section of footage of me popping back up as a ghost, I drag that over up into the track above my snapshot. But here's where it gets even cooler. You can click on your footage and in the upper left, if you click Compositing, this lets you decide how much of the other tracks below it you want to show through. I set mine at 82%, but from the blending mode dropdown, I also chose Lighten. That gave me more of that spiritual out-of-body look that I thought might make this effect seem even more realistic. One thing I want to mention is that I use a ton of audio effects to help my clips out. When I popped in and out of my body, I actually took the sound of a ricocheting bullet and reversed it in Filmora. That was as simple as right-clicking on the sound effect, choosing speed and duration, and ticking the reverse speed box. Now my sound effect plays backwards and it really helps sell the effect of me popping out of and diving back into my body. I also put a little reverb on my ghost voice to make me sound a little more spooky. I carefully selected the right music to go underneath, tweaked my clips to where I wanted them, and voila. Oh, hey, Oh, come on!